Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enroll on HyperOS beta testing on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store. Now from here, just search Xiaomi Community. Now from here, just install this app. Now it will take a few seconds to install this app. Now once the app is fully downloaded, tap on Open. Now from here, tap on Agree. Now from here, just tap on the location section and select global. Now from here, tap on OK. Now from here, tap on sign in and tap on OK. Now from here, just select allow. Now from here, tap on OK. Now from here, tap on yes, keep me posted. Now from here, tap on allow. Now from here, once you have done that, just tap on me. Now from here, if you scroll down, you can see the option for beta testing. Just tap on it. Now from here, just tap on apply. Now from here, scroll down and tap on answer. Now from here, tap on start. Now tap on agree and tap on start. Now from here, just log into your Xiaomi account. Now to do that, just go to your home screen. Now from here, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Xiaomi account. Now from here, just tap on your profile icon. Now from here, just tap on the Xiaomi account ID to copy your Xiaomi account's ID. Just like that. Now once you have copied your Xiaomi account's ID, just go back to the Xiaomi community app. Now from here, just paste the copied ID. Just like that. Now from here, just enter your password. Now once you have entered your Xiaomi account's ID and the password, just tap on sign in. Now from here, just tap on answer. Now from here, it will ask you a few questions. Just answer these questions. If you do not know the answer of these questions, just Google the answer of these questions. Now as you can see, I have answered all these questions. Now once you have done that, just go back and tap on apply. Now from here, tap on apply. Now as you can see, welcome to the application of the beta testing. Please fill in the following informations. Reasons for the application. Now from here, just enter the reason for your application for beta testing. Now as you can see, I have entered the reason for my application. Now make sure when you enter the reason for your application, it should not exceed 1000 words. Now once you have done that, just go back. Now from here, just tap on the circle at the upper right corner of platform agreement. Just like that. Now once you have selected this circle, just tap on apply. Now as you can see, application successful. Just tap on OK. And this is how you can enroll on HyperOS beta testing on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.